Let us now solve another MCQ question in inverse trigonometric function. So the given question is sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. This is equal to what? We have to find out this value, and the given options are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1. So these are the given options. Okay, now to solve this question, what concepts we have to use here? So sine of this pi by 3 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here the angle is what it is? It is in negative now. So we have the concept that sine of minus theta will be what? It will be minus sine theta. Okay, now so if the angle inside the sine function is negative, the minus symbol will come outside. Okay, now so similarly here for cos of minus theta, in this what? In cos function, okay, the negative angle will changes to positive angle, minus will not come outside. Okay, cos theta and tan of minus theta. So here if you remember only two formulas, you can derive. Okay, you can remember, you can make the remaining formulas. Like here tan theta is what? Sine by cos. Okay, now in sine, if it is minus symbol inside the angle, okay, now with the angle the negative symbol will come outside. But in trigonometry function, okay, so the angle will become positive only, no, negative to positive. But here sine by cos, since it is having sine, so negative will come outside of tan function. So it is minus tan theta. And if it is cos theta, cot theta, here also cos by cos theta by sin theta, it is having sin theta, the minus will come outside of the sin function, no? So here minus cot theta. Understood? And here secant theta. Secant of minus theta. Here what? The trigonometric is secant, and secant theta can also be written as what? It is secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Okay, since cos theta is following, the negative of the angle will become positive angle inside the cos function, no? So same will follow the here secant. Okay, it will follow the same rules of the cos theta. So here it will become secant of theta. Okay, now and here remaining is what? Cosecant theta. Okay, so you can write the answer for this, no? Because here cosecant can be written as in the reciprocal form, that is cosecant is equal to 1 by sin theta. So here it is including sin theta, so that's why minus will come outside of this function. Okay, now so now we are having sine. So sine of minus theta means, okay, the angle minus will come outside the angle. So here it is what? This can be written as solution sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of, okay, so sine 1 by 2 will come at what? At 30 degrees, no? So that is sine pi by 6. Okay, 6 1 6 3 ja, okay, 180. So here it is what? Sine 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2 can be written as sine pi by 6. Here minus, put minus, and here we are getting what? We are getting sine pi by 6. And this is equal to sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse of, okay, so they given this minus sin theta, we can write like this. Okay, minus will go inside of the sin function. So sine of minus pi by 6. Why we are sending inside? Because we need sine inverse of sine. Okay, it will go inside of the sine function. So sine inverse of sine, it will become, okay, 1 now. So this is sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of sine becomes 1, and we are having the angle minus pi by 6. So here pi by 3 minus into minus will become plus pi by 6. Okay, so take the LCM, 6 2 pi plus pi, and this is equal to sine of 3 pi by 6, and this is equal to sine of 3 1s 3 2s, that is pi by 2, and we know that sin pi by 2 value is 1. So our D option is correct. So like this we can solve this type of question is inverse trigonometric function using these formulas. Okay, so like this we can solve.